Unboxing! Greetings, adventurers. Today I've got a quick little unboxing video for you today, but I have to say something. There won't be a whole lot of, or any, be-real footage in this video today, just because I'm filming this late into the night and I'm gonna post it tonight, so I don't have time and I don't have the daylight to do any footage with it. But I'll be putting some pictures and videos of historical examples of what we'll be unboxing today. So, what will we be unboxing today? Well, we'll unbox, or unbag, really, or unwrap, unpackage, a little, some mittens. These are supposed to be fleece-lined or faux fur-lined gloves, and they're mittens specifically, and with skin on the outside, like leather on the outside, and the faux fur on the inside. Mittens like this are much more prominent in the medieval period than gloves are, mostly because I want to say they're a little more effective in the cold. They didn't have winter gloves as we do today, but the mittens are very effective in the cold. So we've got our quick little small package, and I'll be unwrapping it, so I guess we'll just get right into it. This won't be a super long video. And there they are in all their glory. So, here they are. They're stitched together a little bit, so I'll just quickly undo those so I can wear them for you guys. They're just stitched together very roughly, because you obviously want to be able to get rid of them easily. Alright, so here we go. Here's the mitten number 1. Super easy, super snug, with, faux fur on the inside. But, this is anachronistic armory. Some of the stuff we'll be unpackaging is not 100% historically accurate. However, these look the part, they're great. They really look nice. I'll be taking them on my camping adventure, a video coming soon about that. It will be camping with, I'll talk to you guys about that actually. It will be camping with 2 other guys. So me and my friend from school and from Boy Scouts. That would be Tristan Sprouse from the T Cubed channel and the T Cubed Dump channel. We will be camping together. Me and him, we're both 15. We have all of our certifications in Boy Scouts. And then we'll be also camping with my good friend Clark Kudrov, who you guys will be seeing as well on this adventure. He is 18, and he is our adult supervision for that video. We have permission to camp on my farm, and we've got all of that stuff done. Everything will be safe. Just needed to get that out there. I'll obviously say it again in that video. Anyway, back to the gloves. So these gloves, there's a tutorial done by the Welsh Viking of his gloves that he made. Mittens. You'll see that the Danes or the Vikings used mittens like this. And again, they're very, very prominent in the medieval period because A, they're easier to make. B, I think they're more effective in the cold and wet weather than gloves. So that is all I have for you guys today. I needed these gloves, and I obviously did not have a whole lot of time to film a big, long video for you guys. I've been working on some stuff that I'll explain to you guys in the future. So, I guess I might as well just get some close-ups of these gloves, just for the sake of getting some close-ups on the gloves. So, we'll look at that. So these are those gloves. Yeah, and that's all I have for you today, guys. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, all of that YouTube stuff. Subscribe to check out some upcoming videos. That'll be super, super awesome. Hope you guys have a great day, night, whatever time of day it is for you guys. Until next time, farewell.